Right, so now I'm sorting out all the wires for this. I've got red and I've got black. It's the only colours I've got. So what I'm doing is getting masking tape and I'm just writing on the wires both sides. On this one I've got GB, and that is right hand indicator. That's what it says. So that's what I'm doing. Labelling both ends so I know where they are both sides of the van. And yeah, it's a laborious task, but it's got to be done. So this is the right hand. I've pulled them out up here, look, and you can see all the different colours there. And it's exactly the same on this side. Pulled them out up there. It's going to work from there, but I'm going to put the wires from this side. I'm going to go all the way around the top here and then down here to this side. Right, they're all marked up in what colour wire they got to connect to and what they do. That's pea brown is purple brown, and there you go. See that fog light and so on and so forth. And then I'm going to see if I can feed it through this conduit from here all the way across, down here, and then out to here. So I've got to try and feed that in now. Yay! So I bought one of these because you're going to need it, because you have CAN bus in there. That's all the wires that come off it. Comes out in a minute. Right, that's all in, it's conduit now. Now I've just got to try and get it through here. Right out the hole. More luck than judgment. You can use those Scotch locks on this, but snip one wire, that's not too bad, it'll solder back in. Yeah, you can use those Scotch lock, but that's like it's like the nasty way of doing it, really. I just don't like the idea of moisture and stuff getting in there. I prefer to solder, to be honest. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Tell you what, I should have been a bloody surgeon. You're gonna do this, kids. Make sure you got all the right safety gear and all your PPE. I need a bit more. Right, all the wires are soldered to the van. It's all tucked in behind there. Coming out here, you can see that it's on some conduit all the way up through, so it's nice and sealed all the way around. Everything's marked up. And now I need to join it to this. I have this ready on my sheet for what goes where. So yes, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to solder these ends to those ends. And once I've done that, tow bar, if it's long enough, it doesn't look like it is, I might have to order one with a longer cable. I'm then going to solder these, just screw them straight into there, and then we're done. Yeah, so that's basically it. That is all in and wide. Just going to slide it down in there, glue it on the back there against somewhere. It's got a little beeper built into it as well. Apparently you have to have that by law. And then I'm going to, that's where the wire goes in. I'll just drill the hole up through there. I'll seal it up in a minute. And then I'm just going to put that onto there. Right, I've just borrowed someone's trailer board. Let's see if this works, shall we? This is the list. There we go, left hand, no fog light on the left hand, but then we have black and white wire on the left hand, which is the indicator, black and red, which is the brake light, black and purple, which is the tail light, white and blue, which is reverse. That's optional. Right hand, we have green and black, which is the indicator, red and black, which is the brake light, red and purple, which is the tail light, white and blue again, which is reverse. Obviously that's optional. Purple and brown, that's the fog light. So this is the TEB7AS, which is the bypass relay for it. And this goes as follows. So this is what goes to the car side. White's to ground, red is to the brake light, green is to the right indicator, blue to the fog light, brown to the right tail light, black to the left tail light, yellow to the left indicator, and grey, which is reverse again, which is optional. And on the trailer side, which is this side, it's listed all the numbers on there, and as follows: 1 left indicator, 2 fog lamp, 4 right hand indicator, don't know why they've skipped 3, 5 right side light, 6 brake light, 7 left side light, and R, which is reverse, and again it's optional. I know it's been a long time. You can see the van has changed quite a lot since I did the flares. I still haven't finished. It's been on and off for God knows how long, but yeah, still in. Right, my buddies, cheers and gone.